I am aware that I need an alignment. I should be getting that done here soon. But I just came to get some groceries. Well, not really much of groceries, but I'm just gonna get some coconut water and some probably an energy drink of some sort. But yeah, just enjoy the sound. I accidentally did pass my the turn that I was supposed to take. This paddle isn't working so well, that's why I had to click it a bunch of times. But yeah, just a little POV, engine sound and shift sound and whatnot. And yeah, like I said, I need to go get this wheel aligned, or these wheels aligned. But I'm gonna do a little bit of work to the suspension before I do that. missed the turn again. All because I'm recording over here. Let's go ahead and just turn around. And yeah, that thing is not aligned because I washed the car and moved the camera on accident, but I just need to move it back down, tighten it up a bit, and then it should be properly aligned. But yeah, I came to Aldi to like I said, get some coconut water. Let's see if I can get this nice and lined up there, just on the edges. Look at that. Perfect. And I'll get back to you. I'm not gonna record inside just cause it's a little weird. But yeah. Yes sir, package secured. But yeah, just got out of Aldi. And let's take this bad boy for a spin back home. See, just do a little POV, a little talk on the state of this car and what's gonna happen to it. But yeah, like I said before, I got rudely interrupted. My Bluetooth connected and cut the video off. But yeah, dang, I wish I had a manual. Sometimes I wish I had a manual, sometimes I don't. I like the DSG a lot. It's a very well tuned transmission for the price. But not saying that this one is tuned aftermarket, but I'm just saying it's a good transmission. And I want the DQ 500 if I do the turbo kit on this bad boy. Let me turn the lights on so you can see. Let's see. I almost fucking crashed right there. Oh, that thing's turning. Just a little rip, nothing crazy. Shit's slow, but it sounds fucking wonderful. Yeah, I mean, I'd rather drive a slow car fast than a fast car slow, you know? At least this one I can get like 1 or 2 red lines before I'm breaking the speed limit. Although right here, the speed limit is 35. So, you can see right there, I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, kind of broke the speed limit there a bit. But nothing crazy. Get some of this energy drink just because I feel like I'm falling asleep over here. And also, if you guys are drinking energy drinks, don't just drink them by themselves. Get some hydration at the same time, because caffeine, too much caffeine and not enough water in your brain gives you headaches. So, little hack if you feel like you get headaches by drinking caffeine. Make sure you have enough water in your system. But yeah, I really like these back roads here in the little town that I live in North Carolina. Hell yeah. We're already speeding. We need to slow down. Until I get one little red line here in a bit. drop a gear. And disappear. Hopefully I don't get pulled over because that was pretty obnoxiously loud, and I was going to like 15 over right there. But I'm in Mexico, so if any of the feds are watching, yeah, this is Jalisco. They got mountains in Jalisco too, so watch out for them feds. Look at these twisty roads right here. This car's got a decent amount of grip. That VR6 sounds fucking godly, but like I said, it's quite slow and it needs a lot more power. So hopefully I can get this thing boosted here within the next year or so, most likely within the next 2 years. But yeah, imagine turbo in this thing. Oh my god, how crazy that would be. I think the turbo VR6, in my opinion, sounds miles better than the turbo 5-cylinder from Audi. Something about just the growl of it, the screaming aspect of it. It just screams, man. It's got some elements of the RS5 V8. I always tell my friends, or the people that I know, I always tell them that this car sounds like a mix between a 370 and a 5-liter. 5.0 Coyote. It's got, I guess it's still got the trumpety sound of the 370, but it, like I said, it's got that the screaming aspect of a Coyote. And man, it just eargasm, that's for sure. But yeah, just a quick little video. I just got home, and yeah, don't rip me for the bad alignment in this thing. I do realize it's horrible, but like I said, I just went to the grocery store. It wasn't too far. Right now I am just driving my daily car, but yeah, this is just for small trips while I get the money to fix it up. But yeah, that's the end of this video, and if you enjoyed, like, and if you loved it, subscribe. Thank you.